Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest skincare products. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the skincare community. Paula's Choice Clear Regular Strength Acne Kit. If you've been struggling with acne and dark spots, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. This 3-step system is a game changer for anyone dealing with stubborn acne, breakouts, blemishes, and yes, even those pesky dark spots. What sets this kit apart is its powerful yet gentle formulation. Featuring 2% salicylic acid and 2.5% benzoyl peroxide, ingredients known for their effectiveness in tackling acne and improving skin texture. Let's break it down. Step 1. The Pore Normalizing Cleanser. This refreshing gel cleanser sweeps away impurities while soothing redness, leaving your skin feeling clean and refreshed without stripping away moisture. Step 2. The Anti-Redness Exfoliating Solution. This gentle liquid exfoliant penetrates deep into your pores, clearing out congestion and revealing clearer, smoother skin. Plus, it's packed with ingredients like sodium hyaluronate and allantoin to hydrate and soothe your skin. And finally, Step 3. The Daily Skin Clearing Treatment with Benzoyl Peroxide. This lightweight lotion targets the root causes of acne while mattifying your skin for a soft, shine-free finish. Say goodbye to those stubborn breakouts. But don't just take our word for it. Customers are raving about the results they're seeing with this kit. From fewer breakouts to smoother, clearer skin, the proof is in the pudding. Now, a quick word of advice. Because this kit contains benzoyl peroxide, it's essential to follow up with sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from potential sun damage. Trust us, your skin will thank you. So there you have it, folks. If you're tired of battling acne and dark spots, give Paula's Choice Clear Regular Strength Acne Kit a try. It's the best facial cleanser for acne and dark spots on the market, and your skin will thank you for it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on all things skincare. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.